Hi, my name is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to set up a site shaper template from Shapefile. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a hosting account. You can use whoever you wish, but in this case I'm using HostGator. The second thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pick a template from Shapefile. In this case I have chosen to use the construction template. Once you find one you want to use, click the Read More button and you'll be directed to this page here. With this button you can view a demo of the product on a website and see all the functionality that has gone into the template. If you wish to download the product, simply click this link and you will be brought to the download page. Now there are a few options here, and it's important to make sure you select the right one. The Construction Site Shaper Current at the top is basically a copy of the demo with all the modules set up for you. The Construction Template Current is basically a bare bones version of the template with no modules, and you have to set up everything yourself. So if you want to take the easy route, use the Site Shaper. Once your Site Shaper has finished downloading, navigate back to your hosting control panel. Now we're going to want to visit the File Manager where you can use an FTP. In here, you'll want to navigate to your root folder or your public HTML, and you'll see a bunch of folders I've already added here. In this case, I'm going to be using a subfolder to show you how to install this Site Shaper, but if you wish for your template to show up on your main website, you can simply install the template right to your public HTML. So in this case, I've created a new folder called Construction, and that will basically mean my domain / construction. So open the folder here and simply upload your Site Shaper to this folder. And I've already done this, so to make it a little bit quicker, you'll simply click your Site Shaper and you'll need to extract all the files. So hit extract, and it usually takes about 10 seconds or so. There it goes. And you'll see that all the files have been extracted to the construction folder. Now you're going to want to delete your old upload that you created to save some space, and there, you've completed step 2. Step 3 is quite simple. You're just going to need to log in to your website to set up your Joomla install. To do this, you go to www.yourdomainname.com. if you installed your template to your public HTML. If you installed it to a folder like me, you would just hit / and then the folder name. So now you'll see that the Joomla installation has popped up. So I'll just navigate you guys through that. Just English United States, just hit next, hit next, hit next. And this is the part where a lot of people sort of get stuck. So I'm just going to show you guys how to create a database really quick in your control panel for your hosting. So to do this, go to your hosting control panel, go to SQL databases. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new database. I'm going to call it construction, and you're going to create that. So now you'll see your new database in your database list. The next thing you need to do is you need to assign a user to the database. If you don't already have a user, you can create one here. Just enter your username, your password, and then once you've created that, simply go down here, add user to database, select your user that you've created, select which database you want to assign that user to, and hit add. You want to give that user all privileges. It's very important, and then make your changes. So now you'll see that you have a new database user, and you're ready to go. So navigate back to Joomla, and you're going to want to enter your username, which we created, and you're going to want to enter your password, which you created as well, and you're going to want to enter your database name, which was construction, and then you're going to want to hit next. So this is an FTP configuration. If you know how to use it, feel free, but it's completely not necessary. If you don't know how to use it, that's okay. Hit next. So now you're just going to want to make a site name. I'm going to call the site construction. You're going to want to enter an email, so I'll enter my email. You're going to want to create an admin username and an admin password. And this step is very important. You need to install the sample data. This is basically going to load the template. And your sample data has been installed successfully. You're going to want to hit next. And you're going to want to remove the Joomla installation folder. Once that is done, you're all set. Your site shaper is set up. To view what your site shaper looks like, simply click Site. To view the back end of Joomla in your administrative options, hit Administrator. In this case, we'll show you what the site looks like. Alright, so this is what a completed site shaper looks like once you're finished uploading it to your web host. You'll notice that all the modules are in the same position as the demo, the menus are all functional, and the login and register buttons are working perfectly. The only thing you will have to replace yourself is the sample images, which you can easily replace in the images folder on your file manager or your FTP. If you have any further questions, please contact Shape5 on the forums and we'll be happy to assist you.